All right, so someone just dropped a DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus box out in the wild, and not some sketchy Photoshop mock-up either. We're talking fully shrink-wrapped retail packaging. The logos look perfect. The print quality matches DJI's official boxes. Even the multilingual labels, all of which means one thing. We might be closer to the Mini 5 Pro's release date than we think. Let's break this down. This isn't the base kit. It's the Fly More Combo Plus, which means DJI is packing in all the extras. More batteries, a charging hub, extra props and accessories. Basically the bundle that lets you stay in the air longer and stress less. And since it's the Plus combo, the batteries inside aren't the standard ones. They're the bigger Plus batteries. Those Plus batteries give you longer flight times, but they also push the drone over that 249-degree weight limit. In some countries, that means you'll need to register it and follow a few more rules. Not a huge deal, but definitely something to keep in mind. Check this out. The bottom corner of the box literally says 52 minutes x 3. That's 3 batteries, each claiming up to 52 minutes of flight time in test conditions. If that number holds up in real use, it's a solid jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 45 minutes with a Plus battery. Put all 3 together, and you're looking at over 2.5 hours of total airtime. Pretty crazy for a mini drone. The box also shows the DJI RC2 controller, the one with the built-in screen. And if sealed boxes are already popping up online, that likely means DJI is shipping stock to retailers right now. An official launch probably isn't far off. Based on what reliable drone leakers have been saying, September 2025 is the window to watch. Of course, the box doesn't give us the full story. We still don't know every upgrade or change. But if this leak's legit, that info should start rolling in any day now. And if you want to hear about the other rumored upgrades floating around, I've got a separate video on that. I'll link it right here. Until then, here's what we know. DJI hasn't announced the Mini 5 Pro yet, so take it with a grain of salt. It could be a ways off, but if you're itching for some official DJI news, there are a couple of sure bets. First, the Mavic 3 Classic is finally getting released outside of China, so if you're in the US or Europe, you should see it on store shelves this month. Second, DJI just launched a new version of their RS3 gimbal. It's the RS3 Pro. It's got a bunch of new features like auto switching between portrait and landscape modes. It can handle up to 10 pounds, has a built-in extension rod, and a bunch of other pro features. If you're into making videos with a gimbal, this thing is worth checking out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.